Many of you guys who work with, most of the WISP equipment will notice that there are safe modes or fail safes built into them. And MikroTik has a safe mode button up in the top corner of the screen. So if you click safe mode on that, if you accidentally bugger it up and get kicked out of the router, it will revert the changes back to how it was before you got locked out. With Ubiquiti equipment, there's also the test mode. So you can actually click test mode rather than apply. So what it'll do is you'll click test and it'll pop up and it'll have a countdown. And if you hit apply before the countdown reaches 0, then it will apply the changes. Pretty much every manufacturer has some variant of this built into it. You just need to Google it, research it, and usually the commands are pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. So anyway, that was another quick tip. Quick tip, just the tip. All right.